Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be discussing the exact steps you need to follow to conduct effective keyword research for KDP to make decent sales. Now, keyword research is crucial for improving your book's visibility and increasing sales. So let's dive right in. Now, the first step is the initial niche research. This involves deciding on the type of book you want to create. How do you do that? Well, simply you can go to a tool like Merch Dominator, for example, check out the KDP books that are selling right now. You can do that either by newest or by BSR, whatever you want, and just check what's selling. For example, as I'm browsing through the newest designs or the newest books that have been selling, I can see this coloring book right here or word search book right here. So we can start to identify the initial niches that we want to expand on, that we want to delve deeper into to try and find our best sellers that we want to work on. There you go. There's another one, Halloween word search, right? So you can go the route of maybe typing this on Amazon and seeing what kind of competition there is in that keyword, etc., etc. But I've got a really good way for you to identify the exact keywords that you want to target that are going to bring you sales upon sales upon sales. So let's say we've decided that we want to work on coloring books, for example. We want to go to the keyword analysis module in Merch Dominator, and we want to select the second option, which is live Amazon suggestions. This will give you hundreds upon hundreds of keywords that are selling right now and that people are searching for, and that's really important. So let's type coloring book and click on search. Obviously, we've got Marketplace US and products KDP. We've got t-shirts and all sorts of products for Merch by Amazon, but we're doing this for KDP now. Now check this out, guys. We've got 524 keywords, absolutely ridiculous amounts of keywords. Now what we could do from here, we could do load search volume, and this will show us the search volume for each and every single one of these keywords along with the competition and stuff like that. And that's usually for Amazon advertising, but I'm not interested in that. I want to see the competition Amazon, right? Organic competition. Now, how do you do that? There's a couple of things that you can do. So let's say I want to research this keyword right here, this long tail keyword. I can click on this search button right here and open it directly on Amazon. Obviously, you can open it on Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Etsy, all sorts of other places, but let's open it on Amazon. We can see that it has 1,000 results. This is the amount of competition we've got for this particular keyword. And I typically tend to go for anything that is 1,000 results or less, because that means you can rank that keyword easier than if it had a higher competition. The other thing you could do is you could open it directly on Merch Dominator. Open the first page or the third page, just like that, and you're able to see the books directly on here. And these are live results. But for simplicity, I'll start opening it just in Amazon, so I can see everything through Amazon. Now it's time to come up with a list of keywords that are relevant to your book. Now, for those of you guys that don't know what keywords are, they are essentially the search terms that customers type into the search bar on Amazon. And to find them, we literally do exactly what we've done. Because when you type a keyword like coloring book on Merch Dominator, keyword analysis, live Amazon suggestions, it literally goes to Amazon and researches every single keyword that is relevant to this initial seed keyword, and it gives you all possible combinations. This is why it was able to provide us with 524 keywords. You will not be able to get that with, simple extensions like AMZ suggestion expander, etc., etc. This is way more advanced, and these suggestions are really valuable as they tell you what customers are searching for and can help you tailor your book around these specific search terms. Now, step number 3 is determining the level of competition after compiling a list of those keywords. And it's really important to determine the level of competition for each keyword, because this will help you identify less competitive keywords that give your book a better chance of appearing in search results. Now, to do this, we perform each keyword search on Amazon and take note of the number of search results displayed at the top left. Ideally, target keywords with 1,000 search results or less for a higher chance of ranking on the first page. This is what I mentioned to you earlier. So let's have a look. For example, we open this on Amazon. Let's see how many results. So we've got 1,000 results on this one right here. This one right here, 10,000 results. We want to find obscure keywords, right? Like this one right here, it says aesthetic coloring books for teen girls. Okay, it has 414 results. Now that is a good keyword. Does it sell? Yes, it does sell. Check this out. And from here, you could actually start getting ideas which cover you want to use. And you want to start studying what these people people are using for the interiors, etc., etc. Do a thorough competitive analysis and make your book based on your findings. Let's check this one. Coloring books for adults, relaxation, flowers, butterflies. It has 859 results. Does it sell? Not the very best, but this one is selling like crazy. And it has mushroom, right? So you could try all these keywords, right? Different combinations and see what you can find. There you go. Coloring books for adults, spiral bound. It has 1,000 results. Yeah, it does sell. Coloring books for adults with dementia, 894. And yes, it does sell. And once you find that keyword that you want to focus on, that's when you're going to start kind of trying to figure out which book you're going to take as inspiration. Maybe you can take 2, 3, 4, 5 books as inspiration and put them all together in one book, right? That's the idea. And the idea is you just need to go through these keywords one by one if you have to and extract the best keywords, do some competitive analysis and see what you find. And you can literally export all these keywords to CSV or copy them and play around with them, do whatever you want to do with them. You could even have a spreadsheet, a Google sheet, whatever you want. One column has all the keywords and one column has the competition. And there we have it. Here are all of our keywords. Now I can copy this keyword right here, go to Amazon, paste it, and then if it says 10,000, you're going to copy that 10,000 and you're going to paste it right here. Just like that, and do it for all of the keywords until you identify the right keywords that you want to work on. Ideally, like I said, anything below 1,000 should be good. And this is so that you can give yourself the best chance of ranking in page 1. And if you guys are not subscribed to Merch Dominator yet, you can literally get it for 50% off, so you can get a lifetime discount of the tool with the coupon code 50 off. Just copy it, paste it right here, click on apply, and it becomes $24.50 instead of $49. And if you want to get an even better deal, even bigger discounts, you can click on this button right here, toggle this button on from monthly to yearly, and it becomes $245. And if you divide it by 12, it works out around about $20 per month. And it doesn't just give you KDP tools, it gives you Merch by Amazon tools, design tools, AI tools, all sorts of things for your print on demand business. And guys, by the way, one other thing that we've just added is the ability to register as a premium member on Discord. So what you need to do is, once you've got your Merch Dominator premium subscription, note that email that you registered with, go to Discord. We've got the link here everywhere. You can find Discord either on the website or in the description down below in this video. Go to the premium member verification area in Merch Dominator Discord server, enter the email that you registered with, and you will get the premium member role. Once you got the premium member role, this gives you many benefits like live streams, the ability to network with people that are also members of Merch Dominator, and you can share best practice and benefit each other, that kind of thing. This kind of thing is not available anywhere else. It's only with Merch Dominator. So hopefully we can see you in the members area of the Discord server so that we can mingle and help each other out. The price is going to go back to the original price because there's going to be way more features being added, an extension, many AI tools, etc. So the time to get in is now. So once you guys identify the keywords that you want to target, it's crucial to use them effectively and efficiently within your book. So especially in places like titles and subtitles. And this will further optimize your book for visibility and increase the likelihood of making sales. And remember, it might take some time for your book to rank for competitive keywords, but with consistent effort and a well-optimized book, you can start seeing positive results in a short period of time, especially if you start making sales. When you start making sales, you start to develop that recent sales history and overall sales history that is going to reinforce your position within the ranks. And as you start to rank for those long tail keywords, Amazon will start slowly pushing you to start ranking for shorter tail keywords. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print on demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. Thanks for watching. Watch this video next if you want to learn about how to make $100 per day with Merch by Amazon step by step. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.